ya ít hoa bữa ta đứa cha cú nhé thì bé hàng như bất tê nó để bữa yên năm pio đứa số này bất tê để bữa bia bằng ca nắm kem nắm tỏng cái thời kia này yếm đĩa đứa Roosevelt cái hen ôm cái thời kia nắm pio bữa bia bằng ca đứa nó ô nó bỏ vào miền sắm như này bữa bia bằng ca nó
Hai có tài quá chặt cú nhé đẹp bé ngang nghe thuật xây nói hồ nó chơi nhám như hệ chưa cái ta một quá chúng ta nó sẽ được bé hồ nó nhiều con nhiều chặt cú sống sao nó nhiều mai chúng ta thì vấn đề cái gì ta nói trời mùa trời phim mùa thì bây giờ chung qua mùa tỏi tiền xe ta mải chặt cú để ta hồ để bất tê
đây đi thôi
để bé hàng nghe bất tê để mùa trăng thảo ha để bữa canh tôi lọt tòng chuối đó hỏi trăng thảo ta để số cho nó mua tỏi trên tỏi ổn thì nó ta mỏng mà tây Vanita tây Alaska taiมีพุทธอาหารมีคนป้าอาหารแต่ยังน่าทำโตตลอดข้าวจะมีเกลือสวยงาม
Hi, good to see you. Chắc quý bất tê bữa ta nó im hóa là quang phong to nhá quang phong to nhé với này qua phun thì chơi phun nhiều mà thăm và thăm nếu tôi nói là thằng nào tôi này nhé thì để hiểu này nhé dẹp tay hàng như bất tê ai bố mà tê ta cô nhé mà tê ta cô nhé mà tê ở ta phát nhé xăm to nhé không nhốt thì á giờ chúng ta hồ á cha cú chưa thể bắt mà thì bé đấy bé mà có chiếu bài nhé có chiếu bài bố mày nhà má mà đi tới giờ bé hàng à
nhà má là ta con là con quyền
con là happy birthday với cha cú đưa
con này làm chơi bé hàng á con đi tặng đá nhé
đây đây nó cha cú đó đi buôn nó phản cho nó đi rồi mà mình lún nữa để tôi thấy tận này bé hàng này cố nhất phẳng này nó cho hello không thể bia ô anh ơi bia không thể bia ít chỉ video hả chỉ video vừa hin nó vừa dẻo vừa lông rồi hộp bia hộp tiêu lon hàng nhàn năm tờ hùa nếu lông rồi đứa có vào dẻo nữa
จากกูจะเบิดเดย์มาดิก็ไอ้แป้งหางลูกก็แล้วก็การโจมเยอะๆจะมีเสียงนั่นเตรียมจะได้อย่าตู้ตอนเดียวประเทศที่สู้กันเจียวหนึ่งเพลงหนึ่งต้องเจียดูเป็นหนึ่งจากตู้อย่าแพ้มีป้าจะยังคือจะยังอย่าตอนหนูเจียยังรอคว้าคุณกว่าฟ้าต่ออย่าทุกปัดต่อทุกก็นี่ทุกก็ได้กูขายหรือแก่อย่างไรนี่ได้เลยคือวิธีจับตู้ดาววิธีจับตู้ทางห้องแมงเรือบีช่วงตะบางเรือว่าเรียนเรือต่อยตู้ต่อปีช่วงตะเจียวเรียนจะเรียนเรือไว้คือหักกลางอย่างทางเรียนก็อย่างนี้ก็ติดกับตั้งก็ตู้อย่าแป้ดีจะยังแป้ปลาจะยังลงเหมือนตรงพ่อไม่ก็ปืนว่าจะเดียวเจนให้
แค่ล
ไป
งมา
พั
แล้
กก่อนเพื่อเป็นบุญอย่างนี้ก็เพื่อน้ำหนาให้นอนเป็นเพียงเพื่อถ้าว่าคุณแอนเป็นเสียว่าป้าเยเสียเรื่องหมาไม่ปลัดก็ดีว่าดีเลยก็จับตากันไปหาอะไรก็อย่าตู้ตายนี่เป็นเรื่องก่อนตู้ตายก็ขอเยอะๆมีมือว่าคุณป้าตู้ตายแบบนี้ว่าจะเสียว่าว่าคิดเป็นหนูหายจะรู้ว่าจะตั้งสูงเรื่องที่ถูกทิ้งเขาอยู่นี่จากนี้แล้วกูจะแค่เรื่องอย่างนี่เดียวกันเลยแต่เราไม่ยืนตามตัวใหญ่เลยก็ตัวใหญ่แบบนี้ฮะ
ก็มาลงแล้วก็จะดองน้ำไว้ลงแล้วก็เตี้ยไป
เป็น
ที่
เก่าครับไปเยี่ยมเจ้าว่า lên ôi tên hoặc biết về ta cũ ra cái nhà nhẹ ơi ô tiền bình số nó trong nhà ô còn cuốn nữa tỏ pin tỏ sốt họ đã cả tam thế siêu nhân có chia lâu tàn ayun nhà tan phải nhẹ vui nhà dân ơi giờ đều sẽ nhà ta từng đến nó tao cùng nhà vắng lỡ trước đèn ô đem tình cho phía nà tình chẳng phía nếu quê đó có từ chiều mình dân ô gì mưa tỏ ai cho phía nà tình tài lễ hộ đó hồ tú để cứu người dân heo gì cha cú chỉ kiến là tình cách giàu ơi cố để cứu tìm dân tiêu mình nghe tiếng trong thiên là tên kiếm cung cụ ơi cụ kêu cùng ăn mẹ quê tôi siêu nhân từ trong thiên lô lô cố bài theo dịp chân tình xe nữa không ai đã tên tình tên lỡ đó xin cảm ơn làn đầu mai các phụ yêu nhân ơi quê tú về siêu nhân là tên tặng xa biết chiếu yêu về nãy ở chiều chân heo thì mấy con anh đã chặt chân lên luôn cùng bông phát hiện chuyện không có liền.
My grandma's a wonderful lady. For the past few months, I've had the chance to really get to know her. I mean, she's kind of hard to deal with at times, but she is the most strongest woman I've ever met in my life. And I am so glad to be her granddaughter. Thank you.
Happy birthday. I love you, Grandma.
Thank you everyone for coming and celebrating with us Grandma's 100th birthday. That's insane to even think about, to even wrap my head around 100 years. But we're grateful for her and for all of you for coming and celebrating this special day with us.
If anyone wants to see good genes here, and good bloodlines, this is where all of this started, right here. So This is a blessing to be in this room because he's like, he's a part of this bloodline that is super.
Alright, can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? What I was trying to say is that if you're in this room, this is a big blessing because of the bloodline that you're a part of. She is so strong. Hello, I'm Ricky. I am grandson of Dr. Ty, and I love her a lot. I haven't seen her in so long. Every time I visit her, it always puts a big smile on my face because I know she's taking care of me a lot when I was younger. And I really have time for her. I'm glad I get to see that she's this old. I hope that she has a lot more to her life. Good to see everybody here. I didn't know.
Okay, I just want to say happy birthday to Ty in that really she opened my eyes to life because of her age and like I'm really thankful for everything and I want everybody to know like live your life to the fullest because she's 100 years old and all she does is listen to this music every single day.
So my name is Sander Lee Ignatius. May Ignatius is my mom, and I've been living with my great grandma for a long time, most of my life.